Understanding down the tubes, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, down the tubes. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive in and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, down the tubes, is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation that has gone badly wrong or has become hopelessly unsuccessful. It's often used to talk about plans, projects, or situations that have failed or are in the process of failing. For example, if a business is losing a lot of money and is about to close, you might say, the business is going down the tubes. It's always interesting to know where phrases come from. The phrase, down the tubes, is believed to originate from the early 20th century. It's thought to refer to the idea of something being flushed down a drain or a tube, effectively being wasted or lost. This visual metaphor helps to understand the sense of loss or failure associated with the phrase. Now, let's see how you can use down the tubes in everyday conversations. Here are a few examples. 1. After the new management took over, the company's profits went down the tubes. 2. I didn't study for my exams, and now my grades are going down the tubes. 3. My plans for a weekend getaway went down the tubes when I got sick. Notice how the phrase is used to express disappointment or failure in various situations. English has several phrases that are similar to down the tubes. Here are a few. Down the drain. This has a very similar meaning, indicating that something is being wasted or lost. Go to pot. This means to deteriorate or become ruined. Hit rock bottom. This is used to describe reaching the lowest or worst point in a situation. Understanding these phrases can help you enrich your English vocabulary and expression. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of down the tubes. This phrase, like many others in English, can add color and depth to your conversation. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.